Chen Zhen, a national hero in the Chinese martial art field. Liu Chenzhen, the founder of HOYOGO, named from him, under the influence of the Chinese martial art spirit, upholding the martial virtue, hold a heart of benevolence. He set up the company in 2006. 2006, HOYOGO PCB Engineering Training Center was set up. 2011, Shenzhen HOYOGO Electronic Technology Co. Limited was established. 2012, Hong Kong HOYOGO Enterprises Co. Limited was established. Two PCB factories located in Qingyuan and Anlu cities with initial investment capital of 110 million USD. Total area of independent factories is 332,000 square meter, production floor over 100,000 square meter, with capacity of 500,000 square meter monthly. The continuous developing HOYOGO focus on overseas market is a PCB manufacturer engaged in R&D, manufacturing, selling, and service. Our products are used in various industries including industrial control, LED lighting, medical, telecommunication, consumer electronics, and with automotive electronics as being our specialty. HOYOGO, with two production bases, advanced machines and equipment in the industry, with high-level automation and dedicated automotive production line, we provide all kinds of rigid PCBs, high-mix PCBs, FPC, rigid flats, PCB design, and PCB assembly. Quality first, full participation, continuous improvement, customer achievement are the guidelines HOYOGO has always been adhering to. With total quality management system, the company is strictly following ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO TS 16949, and a series of international standards. With rigorous concept in design, striving for excellence in management, the company takes the product as its lifeblood, catering for customers' demands of highest quality. HOYOGO, dedicating to PCB business for 99 years, integrating its own production capability and local resources advantages, HOYOGO provides one-stop PCB manufacturing and solution service, and strive to make all your PCB demand realized. Length of 1.5 meter, single and double-sided FR4 and aluminum PCB. Thin bed minimum to 0.50 millimeter. Rigid builds are our specialty product. With the implementation of the company's strategy and constantly expanding of the markets, today HOYOGO has been working with more than 400 global customers from Europe, America, Asia, South Africa, and Australia, and so on. Following the service concept, honesty and customer first, HOYOGO sales and customer service team provide customer fast and professional service in Chinese, English, French, Portuguese, and German languages with nearly zero-time difference worldwide. HOYOGO, adhering to the company motto to respect the nature and love people, to be honest and conscientious, to unite knowledge and practice. The company is striving to create a strong, vital company team. With technical team of average 24 years professional experience and global management team, HOYOGO improved the enterprise competitiveness with technological innovation, maintain a healthy and sustainable developing enterprise with sound risk control system, and make the company as a well-known brand manufacturing pioneer in the PCB industry. HOYOGO people will keep pace with the times, pursuit of excellence. We will focus on technological innovation, cost optimization, integrating industrial chain resources, combining the upstream and downstream to serve our customers with highest quality, first-class service and advanced technology all over the world.